Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Premium features. With a premium subscription, you unlock powerful tools to elevate your trading analysis. You can place more indicators on a single chart, allowing for deeper technical insights. Plus, you can arrange multiple charts in one layout, giving you a broad market overview. Custom timeframes also provide the flexibility to analyze data exactly how you need it. Diving deeper, premium accounts offer significantly enhanced charting capabilities. Imagine having up to 8 charts displayed simultaneously on one screen, providing an unparalleled market perspective. You can also apply 25 indicators to a single chart, enabling incredibly detailed analysis. Furthermore, second-based intervals allow for granular observation, capturing every subtle market movement with precision. Beyond charting, premium features provide robust tools for strategy development and execution. You can set up to 200 alerts, ensuring you are always informed about crucial price action. The bar replay feature is invaluable for backtesting your strategies against historical data, refining your approach without risk. Additionally, the volume profile tool helps identify significant price levels where trading activity was concentrated. Finally, a premium subscription streamlines your entire trading workflow. Experience an entirely ad-free environment, allowing for uninterrupted focus on your charts and analysis. You also receive priority customer support, ensuring any questions or issues are addressed swiftly. For ultimate flexibility, you can access your account on up to 5 devices concurrently, keeping you connected to the markets wherever you are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.